Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to text outline dash effect in Illustrator. First open the Illustrator, then create a documents. Go to the select type tool from the toolbar, create a text. I do this. And fill color off. Then show stock color. Then go to the window menu, click on the appearance and click on the add stock icon and increase stock effect 5 and click on the stock limit 10 and check this dash line dash 5. Now we make a text outline dash effect. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our graphic solution tricks channel and click on the bell icon for more updates.